guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I just got back from Lima. I haven't even slept. I slept yesterday in Lima, so I'm not too bad off. So this is one of my base colors, and it is a Behr satin enamel, and it is in essential teal. I love this color. I've actually painted one of my dressers this color. This is my cloud mix, the Decoart satin enamels and the Loft Flow White. This is some scrapes. So I'm not even quite sure what's in there, but I just made it all the same consistency. So these are going to be 3 colors I'm going to put down as my base. This is a mixture of champagne and pale gold by Modern Masters. This is golden quinacridone nickelase of gold mixed with golden high flow gold. This is a mystery, but I believe it is a Amsterdam permanent red violet. And this is golden in permanent violet dark. So let's see what's going to happen with this. I also have some accent colors. I have gold and copper. So we'll see I don't even know if I'm going to use them or not. But I just thought I'd try something different. I've never really done, I think I've done a split canvas, but I don't think I've done 3 colors on it. And I certainly haven't used the essential teal. But I've always loved that color, so we'll see what happens. Anywho, how's everybody doing? And I have no idea if this is going to work, but that's how I started all off, right? Let me see here. How do I want to do this? I'm going to do this here. Whoopsie. And then I'm going to come in with the pale. It's like a mint green, but not really. It's got some grayish tone to it. And then the rest is going to be white. And I have plenty of paint for this canvas. So I'll put these over here. You guys could see my splat background, my backboard. Like it's a work of art all on its own. So I'm just gonna move this around a little bit. Yeah, there's lots of paint on here. And then I'm going to put down my colors. Oh wow, yeah, there's lots. I really like that essential teal. It's already starting to sell up a little bit. Come on. Don't have any color at the bottom here. Nothing's moving. Gotta move it. All right, so I got a beautiful pedicure in Lima for 10 bucks in my favorite baby blue. It's kind of cool. All right, let's see what we can do with this. I've been doing a little bit of varnishing tonight. I can do a varnish video if you guys want me to. All right, I'm going to put some of this right here. Whoa, there goes Michelle with the lots of color. And then I love this permanent violet dark. It's been really hard to get these days. I had just a little bit left. Now, ooh, that's really reacting. Well, so much for the essential teal. I can add some more later. He's gone. He's gone. Oh my. Oh, no, it's not really. It's underneath. Interesting. I'm trying to get some more paint off here. Wow, it is really selling up. You know what I do like though, and I don't have enough of? Some of this. Wow. So that Behr is really reactive. I love the champagne. It really does create some nice lacing. And I'm liking what's happening up here with this line here. Beautiful. All right, let's bring it back again. Ooh la la. I get such a kick out of this. It's just amazing how the paint reacts. All right, I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or 2 or 5, and I might play with it. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Yeah. Just wondering if I should put more teal down or if I should just let it go and see what happens with it. Quinacridone might not, or the Azo Gold might not sell. It looks like everything else is. Wow. All right, let's just let it do its thing and see what comes of it. I love the colors. All right, I'll be back. Oh, I guess I should torch it first. I am in love with that line there. Ooh. Oh, you know what? My torch, I was doing some resin. I got it. You know, I do have another torch here though. It's the big guy. Let's see if he works and if he's gonna behave tonight. See, that's what happens. This sucker is just, it doesn't like me. It's been sitting sideways, so that's probably part of the problem. All right, now we're going to put you on time lapse. already now. I like this one. I love that teal. And the lacing, oh my gosh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And blending of the colors. And I like this little thing up here that I did. I kind of like blowing on it and having the colors come up from underneath. It's kind of fun for me. So I probably could do something more with this. I'm not real happy with that. But this, I love this branch. It looks like dogwood or cherry blossom or something like that. I love it. And that gold. And these are the most unusual looking cells right there. And don't laugh too hard, but it kind of reminds me of my toenails before I got a pedicure today. Oh God. So yeah, I'm liking this. The white kind of disappeared, you know, but it helped with the cells, and it helped like right in here. There's some white there. And that kind of grayish mint green turned out pretty cool. But this, I just love that. Are you kidding me? Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's it for tonight. My work is available for sale. You can email me at gcfluidart@gmail.com. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys being here. I'm getting close to 5,000. I'm going to be doing a giveaway then. So if you'd like to share this with anybody, that would be grand too. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this. Ciao for now.